This is my air fryer tandoori chicken kebab recipe. Let's get spiced up. Quick run through of the ingredients. I've got about 1 kilo of chicken thigh fillets. Always use chicken thigh fillets. Chopped into about squares, small. We've got about 8 to 10 bulbs of garlic already peeled and a big thumb knob of ginger. We'll whiz that all up into a paste. Throughout the recipe, use about 2 lemons, about half a tube of tomato puree, 2 or 3 tablespoons of yogurt. I use thick and creamy yogurt generally, but you can use whatever you like. And here's our spices that we're going to use today. And we'll come back to those when I make the marinade. I add salt and lemon to the chicken while you're making the marinade. Whiz your garlic and ginger. Now for the marinade. Got the whizzed up garlic and ginger. Let's put that into a bowl to mix up. Put that all in. I then add a bit of good pinch of salt, a couple of pinches of salt, pepper. You're going to mix this up so the order doesn't really matter. I then going to start adding my spices. So a good teaspoon of chili powder. It's going to give it some of that red color. About half a good teaspoon of turmeric. And ground coriander and cumin. You can be generous with this. 1, 2, about 3 teaspoons of that. 1 for luck. Then I've got my family garam masala. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of that in there. I like to add a bit more ground cumin. So I'm gonna put I'm gonna put a teaspoon of that in. Some more lemon juice. So fresh lemon juice. From about, I'd say a whole lemon I would put in. Once you've done your lemon juice, about half a tube, 2 or 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. And this is what gives it your red tandoori color as well. There we go. And now we've got to put in the yogurt as well. So I'm going to put in about 2 or 3 tablespoons of yogurt. You can start with less and then add more. And then I mix this up with a whisk or a fork. I'm going to use a fork today and just slowly mix all of this up. You can see the colour changing. Also add about a tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil, sunflower oil, whichever you want. Now get this lovely marinade into the chicken. You've got to use your hands and get messy now. Cling film your chicken and put it in the fridge. Marinate for at least 2 hours, if not overnight. Time to skewer your marinated chicken. You need to sort of concertina it onto the skewer like this and really push it down tight. And each piece has to be quite tight. That's a little tip. I put some foil in the base of my air fryer baskets, just saves on the cleaning. Add your skewers into your air fryer baskets, ready to put into the air fryer. Right, going into my Ninja air fryer. Put it on air fry mode, which is 200 degrees Celsius. Depends what air fryer you've got. Both baskets matched. And I do it for 10 minutes and then turn the skewers over and do it for another 10 minutes. But always keep watching just in case it's too much. Yeah. Halfway, time to have a look. You can see it's starting to get charred, lovely charred on the edges. And now turn it over. Take them out, looking really nice and char grilled. That charring tastes lovely. You may just want to give them a check. You could give them another little turnover, but they are pretty much done now. That's been 20 minutes in the air fryer. Tuck in, enjoy, and get spiced up.